Hi, hello. Today we will see about how to generate Java classes from wsdl using Maven and Apache XSF tool. So before that, we need to know about SOAP and wsdl because we are going to generate Java classes from wsdl. So wherever wsdl is involved, then SOAP also involved. So briefly we will discuss about what is SOAP, what is wsdl. Then we will go into how to generate Java classes from wsdl using Maven. So what is SOAP? SOAP stands for Simple Object Access Protocol. It is like XML based protocol to exchange messages with a web service, and it is a HTTP protocol. And SOAP always sends a request in the form of XML, and it will receive in the form of XML. So basically SOAP is involved with the XML. So basic knowledge of XML also very essential for understanding of SOAP and wsdl, any web services. So these operations are mostly involved into web services. Those who want to become expert in web services, so they must know about SOAP and wsdl. Now let's see, here client is there and here server is there. So client always sends the request in the form of XML request, and server will receive the request in the form of XML, and after that it will process these some business logic, then it will send the response, then that response also in the form of XML response, and then it will be delivered to the client. So here we need to understand that XML request is sending to the server and server is returning back to the XML response. So this is about a brief idea about the SOAP. Next one is wsdl. If you see wsdl stands for Web Service Description Language. So what consisting of wsdl means? Wsdl consisting of service, endpoint, operation, port, messages, types. So what kind of services it is offering, and endpoint. So in this endpoint there must be some endpoint URL, and then inside wsdl it would be discussed about the operation. Suppose if it is adding up of two numbers, that is one operation. If it is subtracting, or if it is searching of employee, or it is calculating of some operation, so that would be resided in the operation. And every wsdl will be having certain port, it would be running that particular service on so and so port. So port details will be available in the port. Next, messages. So whatever the services wsdl, so it would be having messages and the structure of messages and types. So type of messages, it could be integers, it could be float, it could be double, or it could be final, or whatever the types it would be involved. So wsdl basically consisting of this one also XML structure only, but that XML structure it contains services, endpoint, operation, port, message, and types. So this is about wsdl and SOAP. So with this idea we will go to the tool and we will see how to generate wsdl classes, Java classes from the wsdl. For this example I am using STS tool, that is version you can see here. The version is 4.26.0. This is the new release when I am recording, and we need to get some Maven project. So before we are doing some wsdl and Java generated classes means, and we are going to use as a Maven project. So Maven project means you have to go to start.io.spring.io, and from here you can generate Maven project. So in this you can select 3.4.0, and I am selecting default value, and Java I am keeping, Maven I am selecting, and Java version would be 17 only. So it will support the 17. So I am taking as an example instead of demo, example. So example name also we can give number conversion project. So you can give number conversion project like this you can give, and for this you can add some web components. So Spring Web you can add. This is how basic stuff I am generating. So Java I have selected, Maven I have selected, and 3.4.0, and I am generating. Spring Web I have selected the dependency. So I am generating the project. So it would be in downloads. Then once generated, go to downloads and extract the project. So number conversion and extract the project. So I am extracting here, and it would be extracted. Now come here and import the project. So here import the project, Maven project, and you can download it from here, number conversion. This is the project I am selecting. So finish it. Now you can see it will take a few seconds of time to import the project. After that your project is ready. From here, and we do not have any wsdl file. This is just a Maven project. So you need some sample wsdl file. So that file also you need to download it. This project is downloaded and imported, and pom.xml is having just the details like this demo project, and Java version is 17, and whatever we have downloaded the dependency, that web is available. Next you can download the wsdl file. So number conversion wsdl you can type and you will get it. This is the online wsdl file where you can get it, and you will get this wsdl. So this wsdl is a number conversion, and you can see view source. From view source you can download this page, and I am going to copy paste in our code. So where you want to copy? So generally inside resources you can copy paste. So here inside resources create file. So file is any file, any wsdl. So example or number conversion we are taking, number conversion wsdl. So I am copying number conversion wsdl. So here you can generate, you can save it. Now wsdl file is ready and your project is ready. So now the dependencies we need to add. So I already told we are going to generate Java classes based on the wsdl. So using Maven. So Maven tool, Maven project we generated. Next one, for generating Java classes we need to use Apache CXF. So that one also you need to go to Google and Apache CXF code gen plugin. So you can search the plugin, you will get it. So this is the plugin you need to add. So this plugin, if you can add into that, copied this one and go into pom.xml, open your pom.xml, go extreme, and then here plugin is there. So you have to add here plugin. Now I have added the plugin and you can see what and all available. So here it is giving some error, that is understandable. So this statement you have to give, otherwise it will give some build errors. So here where Java 17 is there, you can go here and define cxf dot version. So this is a apache plugin, apache cxf plugin. So we are going to use in this project for generating dot classes from the wsdl file. So here jxf version, you can ensure jxf version is some 4.0. I already copy pasted inside this project, so I'll get the version is 3.4.2. so 3.4.2, this plugin version 3.4.2, and I have saved it. Now still one more dependency is required. That dependency is jax.ws. This is the dependency we need to add, jax.ws rt. So I am going to add that dependency. Still errors are there, no need to worry, we will see that. So this is the dependency. From here we will add jax.ws. This dependency also needed. Now we can see what are the errors. Because my service is wsdl, we do not have my services wsdl, isn't it? Our services wsdl is number conversion dot wsdl. So you can give number conversion dot wsdl. So if anything wrong is there, you have to verify numbr conversion dot wsdl, and it is available in the resources. So generated cxf and execution. Now what you have to do is, still error is there, you have to clean it and update the project Maven update. Here Maven will be there, you can update. If anything is pending, it will take. After that we have to see whether build success or not. So give Maven build. You can give Spring Boot run. So what it will do, it will try to build the file. If the build success, then we will get the generated files. So here some problem is there. So what is the error, you can see. So Spring Tool Suite 4.0 and internal unmanned, somewhere it is illegal XML and spaces. So that means it is not reading the wsdl file. So just to open, still any illegal things are there or not, we need to verify. And here wsdl is having error, due to that build was failing. Now space is removed, so we have to verify what and all we have added in pom.xml, number conversion pom.xml. So this plugin we have been added, that is Apache cxf plugin. After that, this cxf version 3.4.2 added, this one added, and we have added this dependency, and anyhow default we are having this web dependency, and we also need to add dev tools. Now we don't have any Java classes are generated. Now we are going to generate dot classes based on this wsdl dot java classes. So here I am going to run Maven install. So let's see whether it is generating or not. So build success means your class files will be generated. So it is generated, and this project also refreshed, you might have seen. So here generated classes cxf, again some error, cxf, just refresh. So not generated, I think. Build is success. Now Maven clean we will do. Maven clean done. Now go to target generated sources. Now it is generated. Web service server. So that's it. You got the .java files, and these are the number conversion .java. If you can open, you will be able to see all the wsdl related and service and operations. You will be able to see wsdl URLs, everything will be able to see, and soap related, soap type, you will be able to see. Inside that some details will be there. So this is how we are generating the Java classes from the wsdl. Now we'll run sample program. We will create inside this packages, create one sample package, that is com.sample, and inside one Java class you can create sample example, you can create. So open this one, and public static void main string arguments we can take, and here you can take final string endpoint, we can take endpoint. So endpoint we need to pick from the website. So that website endpoint URL we need to get it. So endpoint URL is this one only. So you can give this endpoint URL. So HTTPS, this is the endpoint URL we are going to take. Next one is final, and URL you can take URL equal to URI dot create, this method, and it will pass the endpoint dot to URL. You have to give like this. Next one is final number conversion. Service equal to new number. So here some error is there. We have to open this file and get the name. Go to sample example, and here you can paste, and this is how URL we have to give. And see URL import java.net URL we have imported, and number conversion, some error still not going. Import. So this input has come. Now add throws declaration, we have to give the add throws declaration. Now malformed URL exception, this is how we need to define. Next, final number conversion soap type, so we have to take the another object instance, that is this one. Then come here, define, this is a port type, port equal to service dot get port, and number format soap type, this is the class we have to give, dot class, and this class also we need to import. So this is error has gone. Next one is system.out.println. Now here only we have to write our expectation. So system.out.println. So what you want to do, 22.99, what kind of that conversion, after conversion how it will look like. So that is port dot number to dollar dot and big decimal dot value of 22.9, we have to give any value, 22.9 or anything you can give. Next one is, I'll copy paste, and next one is some 35 I am giving. So this number to conversion as number to words, I will give number to words. Number to, it will come, it's number to yeah. So you can copy paste, big decimal and 35 you can give, and here only we have to check number two words, it should be there. Port dot this one 35, number two words. So number two words it will pick. Now number two words, copy paste. So here I am giving 35, port number $2, two words, and this one is big integer, value of 35. So now no errors. Now see what we have given, just endpoint URL we are taking. This endpoint URL where our WSDL service is running. So that is a number service is running online. Okay. And we have given the endpoint URL and we have taken the one URL. Then number conversion we are taking. So this number conversion, it is generated from the WSDL file. So that is available in this path. So where it is generated. This is the number conversion, and we have taken number conversion soap type. So for getting port we have to use a soap type, so that we will get the port number, port value. So after that, what we are doing, so 22.99 we are giving, so it will say that 22.99 cents some words it will convert, and it will say 35. So 35, it will say 35. So the value would be in words, it will be displayed. So when we are running this program, we will see the output, what we will get the output. So you can run this program, number conversion. This program we need to run. So it is like a normal standalone Java program. So you can do that. Now see, exactly $22.90 and 35. So it is converted, whatever we number conversion. So this is the number, this is the number we have given. So the values here 22.99. So words it has come, and 35 it has come. Suppose if you want to give 45, and here you can give some 99, it will convert, and say so, because it is like a Java application, we have to do that. So this is 99 cents, it has come as 99 cents, means it is not cleaned. So again we have to clean, then only it will come. It has to build and it has to clean, then it will tell the exact value. So sample example, class not found. So class is not generated. Will generate the class file. And now we can run. We'll see. See 22 point. Again and again it is, I think it has taken in the memory, that is the reason. So 45, it is not coming. 5 nines I am giving. Nothing is there. So because why it is not coming means, in sysout whatever the value we are passing, this is how 22.99 cents and 45, this value and this value both are matching, then only it is going to give. So this value also important. So simply we have not taken anything, isn't it? Simply it is. So this is how we need to do .java classes from WSDL file using Maven along with Apache CXF plugins. So let me summarize first what we have done. SOAP I have explained, WSDL I have explained, and then I have taken the example. So I have taken the example like a number conversion. So for that I have downloaded one wsdl file. So that wsdl file I have placed in sources. After that, for converting .java classes from wsdl, for that what I have taken in pom.xml. So pom.xml I have downloaded the plugin, that is a Apache plugin. Okay, so according to this plugin, as per the plugin we need to adjust. So wsdl file we have downloaded, that file name we have given, and this exf version we have to give 3.4.2. And after that, one more important thing is this jax ws-rt we need to take. And before that, Maven project, while creating Maven project, web dependency we need to add. This web dependency we need to add, and dev tools also we need to add. After that, you can run the file. So if any errors, you can modify and you can run it, you will get the output. After that, what we have taken, simple sample example I have taken, and whatever the .java classes are generated from there, I picked the endpoint URL. Endpoint URL is a live one, because we are not running a live wsdl file here. So we picked from the endpoint URL from the live website, and from there whatever the methods we have generated using the wsdl, we have called like a Java methods. So after that, we are trying to convert a 22.99 and 45, and it is converted and we are getting the output. So this is how we need to generate .java files from the wsdl using Maven and using Apache CXF. That's all.